Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change voice on Discord mobile. First of all, open the Play Store or App Store application on your mobile device and search for Voice Mod. After that, a bunch of apps will be displayed on your screen, but you just need to access this app and install it onto your mobile. After that, tap on the Open button and it will prompt you to connect to the servers. Now, you just need to tap on the Connect button and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration. Once done, open the Discord app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner and then your profile page will be displayed. Here, tap on the settings icon at top right corner, then scroll down and access the voice settings. Inside it, make sure to select the voice mod as an input for microphone and you'll be good to go. In order to do it using your internet browser, open the Chrome app and access discord.com. Here, tap on the settings icon at the bottom left corner and then access video and voice settings from the left side menu. Here, change the input device to voice mod and that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.